same kit really. So you get this gorgeous t-shirt. What size is that one, Marie?
I think that's an extra large.
Oh, is it?
They say slimline because I'm normally a large.
Yeah.
But that's a better fitting.
Right.
I think that's an extra large because I measured it.
Yeah.
And I thought, oh, the large looks like a.
Yeah. I couldn't see that. Yeah, maybe I've got a larger one. So it's what? Dream, love, live fearlessly. And you know, that's what we want to do. You want to live fearlessly because, you know, you don't know what's happening tomorrow. So just go for it. You know, and that should be our mission. You know, for February, I really want everyone to think, okay, what can I do to step outside of my comfort zone?
That's actually quite a pretty thing.
It is a pretty thing, right?
Thank you.
And what's this? Dream Love, oh, a little cute little bag thing. And you can get the hat, of course. Cheryl's got one. Marie's got one.
There's a black t-shirt as well.
Yes, yes.
Either or.
Yeah, so it's very cool. So any one of us can buy them from the stationery, and I just really recommend it. I've just created these little posters in the meantime, and we're going to, well, just talking about the campaign side of it, I'm personally travelling around the different spots in New Zealand this next month to see some of our girls, and I've asked them just get as many girls as you can together, whether we do it in your lounge or we go to a cafe. So we're just going to do some fun things that, like what Cheryl's doing here. And I just really want you all to realise that you don't have to, well, you girls are really experienced now, so it's all fine, but so for Noeline coming back and Amanda just starting, there's not too much great science you need to know. Thankfully now, because of the Skin Analyser, that Linda will sort of explain really fully how it works and everything, which would be great. I'd also put on our Facebook group, did you see it? What did you take from that, Emily? They were doing the...
It was just really casual. Just really casual and really easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and kind of spur of the moment, not formal. But it was just a good example of how you can just go, oh, by the way, I can help you. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah.
So basically, the example they did was a a girl was in her lunch break scrolling through her Facebook and saw, you know, liked a picture of one of her friends, Facebook friends. She hadn't seen it personally for a long time. And she liked her picture, so the consultant contacted her. So the consultant then obviously Facebooked her back and said, oh, that's really great. It's, oh, thank you for that. And the other person asked, well, what is it? Oh, it's Mary Kay. I sell Mary Kay actually, and I really love it. This is really nice. And so the person said, oh, can I'm really looking for some colours. So straight away, the consultant got into her phone and into the virtual makeover app. Now they call it Beauty Muse, I think, M-U-S-E, I'm presuming what the spelling is. But we've got the virtual makeover one. Find it. Have you guys got yours? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got that at the moment. It's going to change to the Muse, I hope. Your face here, and instantly you can put a look on it. And it matches perfectly like it is actually real makeup on your face. But our app is pretty good as well, so you can actually sort of select some colours and things. Send the photo back to this person. So she would have sent a photo, send it back to her done. Then they arranged a time to catch up for a coffee where this consultant was going to take that lipstick and a couple of the eyeshadows. When they were sitting at the couch at a coffee shop in a lunch hour, that's when the consultant said, hey, look, why don't you have a skin analysis as well? I could do that for you on the spot. So she did a skin analysis. From that it turned into a booking with 3 or 4 friends. And that's how you can work your business through any Facebook contacts you've got, from meeting somebody along the street. With the Fearless campaign, that's going to be easy as we're going to be using these cards, and every woman that you come across, give a quote card. Now on the back of your quote card, you could put a voucher, you could put a sample, you know, attached to it. You could put definitely your business card on the back of it, and that way then you've got your details gone out to her. But you basically it's going to be along the lines of I'll do a pretend one with Linda actually. Okay, so we're shopping and you're the checkout chick. Okay, so I'm buying that.
Okay, scan.
So we're at a gift shop. Okay, we're at acquisitions.
Yeah.
Love that shop.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you've.
Yep. Scan. Bag.
Would you like a bag? Oh yes. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. Oh, and look, by the way, as I'm handing you my FBOSS card, I would just love to give you a gorgeous little quote card today. I'm with Mary Kay, and we're doing a Fearless Women campaign for the month of February. Have you ever heard of that?
No, I haven't.
Oh,
no.
So that comes with, on the back, I've got my card and I've got a voucher, all about Mary Kay, through the month of February. We're reaching 25,000 women, so you're one of my 25,000.
Oh, thank you. That's very, very kind of you. I'm thrilled.
Lovely. Now let me tell you what, if you want to go one step further, I can send you some special surprise as well by email.
What sort of surprise?
Oh, you can find out when I've emailed. Okay, so should I say your name and number?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
cool.
yes. Yeah.
And look, you get a free facial.
Oh, awesome.